I have some cotton clothes. It's towels, a bed sheet, I think 4 towels, bed sheet, 1 bathrobe, a hoodie and bed sheet that I want to wash, but they are too heavy, so I can't wash them all together. I had already soaked them. I put them on bleach. For me personally, I prefer soaking them first. The reason why I prefer soaking them first is because I realized when adding the bleach over here, it doesn't work as well as soaking them first. The traditional way of soaking, unazisoak kwa maji, you wait for them to rest for a day or two. You realize it doesn't work so well, but it depends with your preference. Maybe nguo zako si chafu sana, you can just use the bleaching hapa, but personally na preferring nikizi soak first and then I come and wash and dry them. So I want to put some settings over here. Nataka nizioshe in 2 batches because they are so heavy. Now the machine, as you can see, it's 10.5 to 7 kgs. Haziwezi toshea zote juu zitaweza toshea, but the drying part will be hard juu ziko na maji. So I want to start kuweka kidogo and then I will dry them the first batch and then I wash the second batch. So I think I can start with the bed sheet over here. It's a white, they are all white by the way. The bed sheet and these are the pillowcases that I'm washing. And then maybe I can add this hoodie. So zote ziko white. Make sure you don't wash and dry clothes with different colors. Mostly colors zenye zinatoa rangi zita mess up the others zenye ziko bright colors. Maybe I can add this bathrobe. It's so heavy. The bathrobe mzito sana, and remember nimewambia ziko na maji, so ndio maana nimeamua kuziwash in 2 washing cycles. So the remaining ones are 4 towels. Maybe I can add 1 zibaki 3. Let me see, zimebaki mbili, the heavy ones. They are cotton towels and they are too heavy, so maybe I can add another one. Let me add another one. Zibaki mbili ndio zitaosha za mwisho. So I add these 2. Remember they are heavy. So like that. And then I close it. So I want to put on some settings for them. Remember, I want them to wash and dry. So the first thing I'll do, I'll put the powder detergent. Ndio hii ni Omo, if you have Omo, and there are specific ones for washing machine. So make sure when you are buying the powder detergent, umeangalia specifically ni ya washing machine. Juu the others zenye si za washing machine, you realize after umeosha zinaanza kustick huko, hazitokangi zote vizuri, so they have finer particles ya washing machine. So I'll put on here, and then for the intensive pre-wash, I'll put the liquid detergent deep cleaner parcel. So that's what I'll put. For the deep cleaning, for the intensive cleaning, nitatumia hii. Like that. So because I don't have any fabric softener, I'll leave it at that. So I want to reset it. Because they are cotton, I think I'm going to use cotton, not cotton plus. Hazijafika ati cotton plus. Then I'll put intensive pre-wash. You see cotton, then you put intensive pre-wash, and then dry like that. So it will wash and dry. Alternatively, you can come and put it here, wash and dry. You can see when I put the wash and dry, even the dry one on this other part imewaka. So you can either use those two options. You put cotton and then you select dry, or you just select wash and dry. But now when you select wash and dry, I activate the intensive pre-wash, but I want the towel to have intensive pre-wash, so I have to select the intensive pre-wash like that, ndio ziko na intensive pre-wash, and then you select this play button. Hii ndio there kuactivate zianze kuosha like that. So you can see over here inaanza ku count time that it will take to wash and dry them. It does that inapimanga the weight of the clothes. Unaona the tab imeanza kuzunguka over here. After imemaliza kupima the weight of the cloth like that, unaona inazunguka ndio itakupea the exact time that it will take to wash and dry them. And you can see it has set the default temperature 40 degrees and 1400 spins. So let's see how long it will take to wash those ones. You can see bado ina count. Na the tab inazunguka zina count, inapima the weight of the clothes. So it takes sometimes kupima the weight. Ndio maana unaona bado the light kanazunguka zunguka, and then itakupea the exact time it will take to wash and dry them. You can see wash and dry for those one, it will take 7 hours 49 minutes. So in your time it take wash and completely dry those one. Remember zinakujanga out zikuwa very dry. When they dry, I'll show you how they look like. So that's it for today, guys, and thank you for watching.
7 hours 49 minutes later.